Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Chai on PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is by using an Android emulator. So the one I recommend is BlueStacks. It's completely free. So we want to go ahead and head on over to BlueStacks, click on download BlueStacks. If you're not sure how to do it, I've made a video on this previously. Just go to YouTube, type in tutorials BlueStacks, and I'm the first result here. Now, once we've done that, we want to go ahead and open up BlueStacks. So click onto BlueStacks Store. And now we want to do a search for Chai. So type in Chai. So we can either search for it up here, or we can go ahead and click on the app player and now let that load up. Now, if this is the first time using this, you might need to log into your account. So just log in. Now we're going to click on the search bar. So now if you've done the search, Chai up, here it is here. So go ahead and download and install it onto BlueStacks and use it as you normally would on your mobile device.